among the countless billions of Wonka bars are 5 gold tickets. A lifetime supply of chocolate.
You are now about to enter the nerve center to the entire Wonka factory.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop.
Nobody ever goes in. Nobody ever comes out.
It's nice to have you here. I'm so glad you could come. This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. I take you to the candy shop. I take you to the candy shop.
Inside this room, all of my dreams become realities. I take you to the candy shop. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop.